Hey guys, my name is Dean Quinto from DinOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Smart Content Profits. Stay tuned. Now, in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the Smart Content Profits works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on October 11 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to the Smart Content Profits when this goes live. And the best part is you can get a discounted price for this digital product during this launch period of the Smart Content Profits. Now, this is a limited time offer, so you must act fast as the price will increase in the next 9 hours. Now, to get this discounted price, you can actually click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here, and we'll show you how you can get this product from here. So you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. And all you got to do is just keep an eye on to my bonus banner and we'll go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the Smart Content Profits. Now, to put this briefly, this program will actually let you create a site automatically with a few clicks of a button. Then once you've done that, you can populate contents depending on what niche that you like to add the content to your site. And then finally, once you post that content to your blog, you can actually automatically post it to your social accounts so you can share your content to your social media. So this is an easy step-by-step content creation to your site without having to think and come up with ideas on what to write to your content, because it can take a long time and it is time consuming. And so whereas this platform provides you with a ton of content inside the database that you can just pull out and add to your site right away, and you can share this to your social media, so you can social syndicate that. So you can social syndicate your content everywhere onto your social media. Now, just simply start adding your hyperlinks as soon as you start having your contents in here onto your site. Like start adding all your affiliate links into a hyperlink to your content, and then you are ready to start promoting your offers easy and fast. Now, I want to talk about the benefits of this product. Now, this method is a quick content creation to your site. So if you're into creating your own blog site method, because there's two kinds, or you can do both. So you can pretty much create a product and then promote your product promotion while filming yourself on YouTube, that you can go to this route. But I think it's much more easier if you're a beginner, or if you are just not into filming yourself in YouTube, then you can go take this route. And pretty much you can start over here with these 3 easy steps. Just follow the steps here. It's gonna auto-populate all the contents for you over here, and then you can start with step 3, and then you can just pretty much do all that. You don't have to think of what to write about. For example, if you wanna promote Amazon affiliates with pet niche, and so you can pretty much create your own site here. Then the auto content will help you add the content to your blog in here, and then you can start syndicating your content over here so that you can start monetizing your site. And so this method is actually a quick content creation to your site, and all you have to do is search any niche that you want. If you don't have a niche on your mind, or if you have one, then you can pretty much type in your niche over here. Let's say dog niche, and then just add it to your site. And then over here it's gonna auto-populate your content. The stuff that's gonna come up, you just pick that content and you just apply it onto your site. Now, you really don't have to spend money on hosting site, because when you sign up and get a hosting site, then you end up paying more money. But with this one, you really don't have to get your hosting site here, because it's all provided for you. And then all you got to do is simply add your domain here, and then you're done. So this program is going to simplify your life from creating and promoting your affiliate links. Now this program is very simple and user friendly that any beginners and newbies will be able to take advantage and be this program is actually very efficient on promoting your links using this method. Now I'm going to be walking you through what this program is all about. And so pretty much you can start from here. So once you log into the smart content here, just follow this easy steps. So you can't miss that part. You just have to click on over here, and then once you click on here is where you can sign up your domain, fill out the form. Then you go to the second step here is where you can, like I mentioned before, look up any content niche that you can start adding to your blog. So you really don't have to write your own content, because sometimes when you write a content, you have to be SEO. You have to make sure that your content is SEO. What do you call it? Like it has to be in form of SEO. So if you start writing your own in your own words, and most likely Google's not gonna pick up your content. And so this is why you pretty much have to look at other people's content here, and then whatever is the popularity, it's gonna come up into this program here, and then you just select it as like that. And so on your part, you really don't have to think of what to write, because most likely it's not going to be in SEO form, and you will be behind all the way down to the list of Google search result. And so once you've done that, you just select the content that you find over here. Then you just go to step 3, monetize your site. Now I'm gonna be showing you a quick demo of how this works.
Hi guys, and welcome to the demo for Smart Content Profits. Now it's very easy to get up and running with the system. We've set it up so you can use the system in 3 easy steps. Step 1, create your site. Just add in your domain name, choose a username. So let's just choose admin as a username. Choose a password, a name for the site. So I'm going to choose what's my site. Add a description. This is a new site test. Okay, that's all you need to do. Hit save, and it tells you it's preparing the site. It usually takes a few minutes just to get this done. Once that's done, we'll jump back in here. The site is set. As you can see here, it's fully secure already to go set up everything inside the dashboard, and it took around about 30 seconds from start to finish. Now, what you can do is you can add in the content to your new site. So if you wanted some content into that site, just click content, and let's just choose some from here. We've got a full search for different niches. We have many different sources that you can utilize as well. But just let's choose a couple here. So we'll use this one complete list of hacker and cybersecurity movies. Click post, choose the site that you wish to post to, which is what's my site. Just click publish. Just give it a moment or two to go to the site. Go back to the site. We'll refresh this page and you can see that it's posted there. Now, you can then instantly post much more content if we want to, or we can schedule it just like this. We can schedule it to be posted later today. We can add images in there as well. So we could post it later today, and we can add as much content as we want into the system. Now, also, we can monetize that site. So here you can see there are lots of ways to monetize. If you click this monetize button here, we can instantly monetize this site by adding ads into the bottom of the post. And you can add multiple ads that will split. Test the different ads you can add inside menu posts as well. So every time it posts to the site, it'll automatically add in an ad. So very easy to use. We also have an auto poster, so we can create an auto poster that will automatically post to the blog via a keyword. Let's add in their e-com. Decide on the blog you want to post to. Minimum word count posts per day. You can have as many posts you want per day. You can schedule a post so you can do the post at a certain time. You can set it so they require an image. And all you need to do is hit save. And that will start populating that blog. Now, we also have social accounts. So as you post to the blog, it will automatically post to your social accounts as well. So create social account. We've got Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and Reddit as well. And we've also got a calendar. So you can see when the posts are scheduled, and we've got, as I said, a huge content database to pull from as well. And you can also add in your own RSS feeds. So very easy to get set up. Step 1, create a site. Step 2, create and automate your content. Step 3, monetize your site. Thank you for watching this demo of Smart Content Profits.
Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Smart Content Profits, this is going to go live on October 11. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these orange buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now over here is to claim these bonuses. They are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these orange buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page and send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge. Even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video, is only going to be $27 in price. And also, if you can upgrade your front end purchase, for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. Now, over here, you're gonna find all this upgrades or upsells onto my bonus page. Just all you gotta do is just click the link down below onto this video. Just click on the bonus crate site here, and then feel free to read all of this amazing upgrades of the Smart Content Profits here. So if you want to grow your business, your online business, please consider checking out the upgrades for you to check out. And then pretty much once you've done that, then you'll be able to get fast and promising results. So after purchasing through my link here, don't forget, I'm going to be offering you my free bonuses. Now make sure to click the link down below in the description of my videos. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Again, you'll find it down below in the description of my video. And then I'm more than happy to answer your messages from there. And you know, any questions about me, any questions about the products, be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $27 during the launch period of the Smart Content Profits. Now once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 14th. So you make sure that you look up for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $27 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Smart Content Profits review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video. Now make sure to click the link below to purchase the Smart Content Profits at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.